When did we last see a group of 10-year-old girls hopping, smiling, and skipping, and in groups of 25 across the dusty streets of rural India for 5 kilometers at a stretch? This is the story of many such group of girls that unfolded on 8th of March 2025, facilitated by Hamari Lado. Hamari Lado, meaning our beloved precious daughters, operates at the precarious intersection of rural India, impoverished families, and the girl child. This intersection shows a big problem in our country. Many girls in poor rural families do not get a good education and the opportunities that come with it. If we don't do anything, it will take over 70 years to fix this. We are committed to making a dent on it. Imagine a single drop of water creating ripples that spread wider and wider. That is the power of our motto: change one girl at a time. It is our belief that by helping a girl learn and grow, we can create a wave of positive change. Our copyrighted program, NEEV, operates along with the school curriculum for 10 weeks, complementing the classroom inputs. Our pedagogy involves engaging in fun and creative activities collaboratively in groups of about 25. These activities help them become stronger from within, in their feelings, their minds, and even their bodies. They learn to work as a team, lifting each other up. After those 10 weeks, something truly inspiring happens. To show the world the strength they have found together, these girls run 5 kilometers in a public setting. It is like a joyful announcement. We are here and we are stepping onto the path of our own power. Our flagship run, Ladkiyan Bhage Sabse Aage, isn't just a race. It is a declaration. We hold it on 2 very special days each year: March 8th, when the world celebrates women, and October 11th, a day just for girls. Hi, I am Mahana, leading partnerships and communications at Hamari Lado, and I want to share a little story about our most recent 5K run, the one we held on March 8, 2025. I was even a part of making it happen. We started this journey way back in 2022, and this run was our 7th time celebrating the power of girls. Come, let me tell you a bit about what makes it all possible. It all starts with our incredible coaches. Imagine the energy and warmth of women from your own community stepping forward with passion and knowledge. These are our coaches, the heart and soul of what we do, our frontline heroes. They understand the local language, the culture, and the dreams of these girls because they come from the same place. We believe in their power, so we invest in them, training them carefully so they can deliver our programs with excellence. Deploying our copyrighted coach manual, we carried out our training program through November to December 2024. We designate 2 coaches at every school that we are active in. Starting January 2025, for a period of 10 weeks, our coaches engaged with the girl students at our partner schools, deploying a defined and a detailed protocol. In near about 100 government schools in rural India, they engaged with around 2,500 girls of grades 5 to 7. And I'm very sure you all know about the amazing change that happens when someone truly believes in you. That is the magic our coaches created through our NEEF program. Because they connected with the girls in such a personal and engaging way, the girls started learning and growing in incredible ways. Just imagine, in those 10 weeks of our high touch program, over 50,000 coach girl interaction hours were spent in talking, listening, and guiding these girls. And what did we see? The confidence of these girls started to shine through everything they did. In their words, in their drawings, the bright colors they used, the poems they wrote, the crafts they made, and yes, in their joyful runs across the open fields. Over those 10 weeks, each girl ran an average of 40 kilometers. That is not just about running. It is about feeling free, strong, and knowing they can go the distance. And yes, the amazing work we did wouldn't have been fully realized without all the behind the scenes stuff in the last 10 days before our big day. This included meeting with everyone involved, getting the certificates and the medals ready, and setting up the venue. We basically went into full event planning mode to make it all come together perfectly. And wait, let me tell you about the best part of the story. The final action on our D-Day. Our girl students, each one of them, ran the 5K literally like the child's play in villages and district towns. I'm sure you are able to see the boundless joy on their faces. Senior bureaucrats, village elders, school teachers, and parents showed up to marvel at the sight of girls running right through the middle of the roads and to clap them to the finish line. And all along this, individual friends of Hamari Lado in different parts of the world showed solidarity with our cause by completing the 5K in their local context. In this 7th edition of NEEF program, girls have run a total of 99,280 kilometers. And cumulatively, since we started our operations, our NEEF girls have clocked 1,45,280 kilometers. We are delighted to report that based on the outcomes on the ground, as appreciated by our stakeholders, NEEF has recently been co-opted by the Department of Women and Child Development in Rajasthan for the statewide adoption under its Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao initiatives. We thank all our stakeholders for helping us conduct a safe and enjoyable 5K on 8th of March 2025. Special mention to our sponsors, Army Women Welfare Association, Novama, CETA, Cross and Quick Vitals. In the week immediately after the 5K, we sat down to make sense of the dust that had settled down and to plan for raising a storm over and over again with our razor-sharp focus on the girl child from low-income families in rural India. We planned expansion of the current version of NEEF to a few more states this year. We reviewed the blueprint for equipping the NEEF girls on various functional skills and of activating their innovation and entrepreneurship mindset for contextual problem solving and much more in the coming years. For the immediate future, we will soon pull up our socks for the next edition of NEEF and its culmination with another energizing 5K on 11th of October 2025. We'll look forward to seeing you on the starting line chanting our war cry, Ladkiyan Bhage Sabse Aage. Would you want to know more about Hamari Lado, about this inspiring organization that I am a part of? You can access our website or our YouTube channel, but what we would love the most is for you to reach out to either me, that is Ahana, or Premlata or Sankalp. Our copyrighted program, NEEF, is much more than a running program. and we are resolute on a path to scale this up across states and expand the scope of what gets delivered through the program. We would love to share all this with you. Do join us, support us, motivate us. Every bit matters for the girl child from low-income families in rural India. With your participation, we can deepen and widen our chant, Ladkiyan Bhage Sabse Aage. Thank you and Jai Hind.